everybody, how are you? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been like 2 months since I've uploaded a video, and that video was in Spanish by the way. And I promised that I would come back, and I had some videos that I filmed, but unluckily my how can I say this? When I was trying to edit them, the end result was always a corrupt archive. So I couldn't upload anything, and I also got very busy this few months. So I wasn't able to film some stuff with you again. But now I have already managed my schedule so I can film these videos for you, these tutorials. So I hope you really actually like them and enjoy them. Also, si hablas español, no te preocupes, voy a estar poniendo subtítulos, así que le picas a donde dice CC y vas a encontrar los subtítulos ahí. I think I said a couple of videos ago, and probably like 2 years ago, that I was going to switch my channel from being an Spanish speaking channel to an English one because I want to practice more my English, and this is the easiest way for me to practice my speaking, you know. My writing is fine, but my speaking, I think it has gotten worse over the years, and my English has become very rusty, and I don't like that. Also, you're seeing my hair like this because I am trying to come back to my actual natural curly hair, so it needs to be this strange, weird curls at the moment, but I promise that over the course of the months it's going to become a very luscious, beautiful curly hair once again. I hope. So today I'm going to be doing I was feeling kind of like a pastel galaxy look on my eyes, so that's what I'm going to try to achieve today. The palettes that I'm going to be using are some discontinued palettes because they are from a brand that it no longer exists, and they are quite old palettes, but they are fine. I promise you they are fine. I haven't used them. That's the reason why I am using them now, because I want to finish like the palettes that I own before buying new ones, and also the palettes that I have been seeing recently, they haven't catch my eyes to be like, oh yeah, I'm going to spend my money on them. So if you know a makeup brand that I could be like, oh, I actually would like that palette, just tell me down in the comments. Also, before we enter to the video, subscribe and hit the bell so you can get the notifications on time. Hi. I'm going to pull you like closer to my face so you can actually see what I'm doing. Also, you will see a lot of bumps and scarring on my face. I have been dealing with a pretty bad hormonal imbalance, so I have a lots of breakouts every now and then, but that's normal. I'm going to use the Pastel Goth palette from Kat Von D because these are actually the only pastel colors that I own. I'm showing this to you so you can like search for a similar color in your palettes. I'm gonna apply that as a base on my eyelids. Go with a fluffier brush, just like this. I'm going to go with this shade. This shade is called Meow, and it's like a almost pastel magenta, I will call it. And I am also going to apply it in the outer corner. I'm also going to apply it a little bit on my lower lash line. Then I'm going to go with Dope, which is the fourth purple one here. So right now I'm going to go with my Astral Chroma glitter palette, and I will grab the shade Neptune, which is this one, and I'm going to apply a little tiny, really tiny bit in the center of my eye. To give the galaxy look, I'm going to grab this white eyeliner, and I'm going to draw stars on my eyelids. I'm going to draw big ones and smaller ones. Now that the stars have dried, I'm gonna go with this kind of jewel purple shade. This one is also from, you know, color on this, like on my lower blush to here. The same fluffy brush, I'm gonna grab a little bit and I'm going to put it here. Then I'm going to grab this lilac shade and I'm going to place it here. And I'm going to finish with this silver shade right here. I'm going to grab an eyelash curler and I'm going to curl my eyelashes. Now I'm gonna grab some mascara. This one is from a Mexican brand. Mexican brand mascaras are really cheap and really good. I haven't found mascaras that are so good like them. So right now I am finishing off my face. I'm gonna be using the Honey Bronze bronzing powder from the Body Shop. I have it in the shade 03 medium and I'm almost going to end it. I hit pan and that's like amazing. The next thing, I'm going to apply a little bit of highlight and I'm going to use this one. It's a liquid highlight and it's I made this myself. It has this duochrome purple pink shade, so I think it goes pretty well with the makeup of today. For the blush, I'm going to use this one from the Mexican brand Bisou, and this is the shade Malva. Basically, it's like this fuchsia coal pink tone. For the lips, I'm just going to go with a very supple lip gloss. I have this one. This is a Barbie pink shade. It has a little bit of blue sparkles on it. I like it, and I want to do this because I mean the protagonists are my eyes. So I am back and this finished Lily did it. I like it. I'm loving it, and I'm also loving my hair. So I hope you actually liked it. So if you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also comment down below if you want to see more tutorials like this, or what other kind of videos would you like me to be filming for you guys. Also, if you actually like my content, you can follow me on my Instagram, which I'm going to leave it here. I also make streams on Twitch, so you can just subscribe to my Twitch channel, which is this one, and you can also keep supporting me by inviting me coffee on my coffee profile, that is this one. Also, all the links will be listed down below, so you can go check it out and don't miss anything. I am pretty much active on my Instagram, so if I am going to film a video, I also upload reels of other tutorials, well, other makeups there, and some pictures. So if you like a makeup that I have posted but I haven't done a tutorial, you can go there and comment, hey, do a tutorial of this makeup, and I will just do it. So yeah, I hope you actually enjoyed this, and see you next time.